Replacement IC is an electronic chip that is used to replace a faulty or outdated IC in an electronic device. These ICs are designed to have the same or similar functionality as the original IC and can be used to restore the functionality of the device. Replacement ICs are commonly used in various such as consumer electronics, automotive, and industrial equipment. Some examples of replacement ICs include those from manufacturers such as Texas Instruments, Maxim Integrated, and NXP. These ICs are available in various packages, such as through-hole and surface mount, and can be purchased from distributors or directly from manufacturers. With the increasing demand for reliable and efficient electronic devices, the market for replacement ICs is expected to continue to grow in the coming years.